Assalamu alaikum. Today video is very important to you if you want to learn English. So today our topic is very important topic. So watch the end of the videos. Today video I explain how to you can introduce yourself in your class, in if you have interview, then you can introduce. So watch the end of the videos. First you go to one stage and stand with properly, confidently. Then you started to speak. Okay, what we how do you can speak? So watch the end of the video. First you can go to stage and stand properly. Okay, then I am this is me, Muhammad Yusuf. I am from khaplu, I have done mastering English from Kakram International University. Then I have one brother and two sisters. My hobby is to reading book and I want to become teacher in future because then my favorite book is Dash and my language is Urdu and Balti and English. We have three language, then we can speak three. Okay, it is a simple introduction, English introduction. So all of you, thank you for watching my videos. If you want to get more education, more videos, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love is.